Advanced placement exam. Why should I prepare for advanced placement? Is it actually beneficial, and how can I have a cutting edge while appearing with the AP or the advanced placement? Now, advanced placement is an exam to get college credits. One of the major benefit is you can skip that course in the college and get a credit by simply appearing for that exam using AP, which is advanced placement conducted by college board. Now, why is it useful? Because it is one of the most widely accepted programs, accepted in more than 60 plus nations. These are university level classes that you have to cover, and they do have an extensive coursework. So you can actually miss one course in a semester and get credits for that course. Some of the courses could be 3 hour credit, 4 hour credit, depending on the course that you have applied for in your advanced placement. For example, you can apply for in sciences, like it can be chemistry, physics, mathematics. In social studies and humanities, it could be music, it could be human geography, psychology, macroeconomics, microeconomics. So it gives you an understanding of university level curriculum, provides a standard for academic excellence, and helps you to attain good standing. So with your AP score, you can apply to more than 3,600 plus universities globally in 60 plus nations. And one of the studies have cited that nearly 3.4 million AP exam takers are there, of which you have around 18,000 different schools which accept the AP score. So within the universities, there are various schools and departments that accept the AP scores, and nearly, only we can say, of all those who apply, only 35% of the students are able to get a score of 4 and above on AP, in AP examination. So that's really a good marker. So you have to set your goals high and work in that direction. Now, what is the benefit? As I said, you can reduce your college work during your bachelor's program. This helps you to give time to extra co-curricular activities. Also, while taking admission, it increases your chances because you have an extra thing which is on your resume, which is advanced placement. Those who have cleared advanced placement get a higher probability for scholarship. There is 35% more chance to get a scholarship if you have qualified your AP exam. Also, since you are taking college credits, you can take another paper during your coursework, and that means you can graduate early. So there can be a difference of 1 to 3 semesters that can be created by taking few of the AP courses. Also, some of the students look for doing a double major, and if you have taken your AP course, this becomes further easy. So those participating in various co-curricular activities, sports, do have leeway if they have qualified their advanced placement. They do get academically sound standing on their resume, have a better chance for scholarships, reduce tuition charges and tuition fees. Definitely, it also reduces your living cost, because if you are living for less for 1 semester or 3 semester, that makes a significant difference in the time and the duration in which you complete your bachelor's degree. So that's some of the important things that we have discussed for this session. If you have any questions or doubts, please feel free to post those in the comment below. And our comprehensive practice papers and preparation material for AP is available on Doorstep Tutor. Stay tuned.